Welcome to Java Velocity Byte. Today we'll be discussing about access modifiers in Java. So there will be like access modifiers like private is there and public is there and protected is there. So these are the some three most used keywords. We need to see whether how we will use in the class level and how we will use outside of the package, how we will use inside the class, how we will use in the same package outside of the class. So those things will be discussed whenever we are trying to discuss access modifier. I will discuss access modifier with variables as well as with methods also. So I will go the access modifier with variable. So first of all, access modifiers. So I'm declaring the access modifier. Access modifiers like public. Public is a one keyword, and another one is like private. Another one is protected. So these are the three keywords we will use in Java. So we will go with public. We'll take the methods. So it will be interesting with methods also. So public void name of the lecturer, and I'm printing using system.out.println, and we'll printing lecturer name is, and we are setting the name. So here we are taking the public one, and we will take one private method by ID. So I'm getting the lecture by ID. So this is the int ID. This is the variable. So we will be saying with public and private. So here we'll put one system dot out dot also for this to see the result. ID is ID. So now we have created one public one and another one is private. So clearly see under access modifier class, I'm creating a test class, lecturer test. So those are our non-static methods, and so we need to require the object. I need to select the lecturer. Here see, I require from access modifier package the lecturer equals to new lecturer. Okay, this is the no-R constructor. There are no parameter, nothing to be initialized for us. So I'm calling lecturer dot. So there is one method get lecturer. So I will put this as public get. So to rename, see here, if you do the rename now, get public lecturer. Sorry, get public lecture. So if I rename here, already have called here. So here also, wherever the places we are using that, it will be renamed. Public Java. The lecture name just I'm passing as public Java. Okay. So this is the one. If I try to call the private one, it will not display. Okay. This is get public lecture. For private, what we said, get lecturer by ID. Get private, I will give. Get private. So that to remember with the keyword. So this method I am not able to call. Why? Because this is a private. So whatever the things you have declared as a private, you cannot be called that method. It will show the error and it will ask us to change to public or protected or default. If you're not declaring any keyword, then that is a default method it will go. Okay, so that's why non-private it is showing. Okay, so that's the thing. So the private things we cannot directly outside we cannot access directly outside of the class. To okay, so if you need to access anything, public method means always they will be utilized inside the class only. So here we are using like get lecturer by ID. Okay, so here int id. int id. I'm passing this. So if someone is creating that method means they can access inside the class level only. See this method, how I am accessing. This is a private method I am accessing within the class level. So this is a lecturer. So whatever the private method we have created, so we are keeping a restriction so that this is a method, no one will be access outside of the class. So in some cases, we will create the private methods also, and we will call those methods into here. So for our logic, we are having so much logic, then we will create one private method and we will segregate the logic into that particular private method, and then we will call that into the other method like this. Okay, so that's the use. Here I am removing this method public also, because if you are not specifying any keyword public, private or protected, then that method is a default method. So we can access the default method. Okay, we can access the default method. Get default default lecturer by id. So now it will show the get default method. So default method also it will show here. Just we need to pass the one. So now clear, right? How we are using the public. So public is a access modifier. We can access. So as of now, I'm just telling about within the package level. The package is access modifier, and we can access outside of the class. Default is a keyword. We can access outside of the class, and protect and private is a keyword you can access within the class only. You cannot access that outside of the class. Okay, so this thing we have completed. And if we try to use anything method like protected, so based on the email we will try to print the protected method. So for this method just we are giving the input as, okay, so we'll try to see protected lecturer email, right? So I'm taking email is, okay, protected lecturer email is email. Okay. So we'll try to see in the same package whether we try to access this method or not. Lecturer dot. So this protected also we will be able to access. So I need to pass Java, like we can pass veloz lecture at the rate gmail.com. So his mail. So with this we can access. So now we have seen like default, protected, public. We can access outside of the class within the same package, but outside of class, outside of lecturer class. Okay. And if you take private means the private scope is within the class level only. So now on top of access modifiers, I am creating another package. Okay, this is verify package I will create. What verify? We are verifying the access modifier outside of the class. Okay, I am taking a class verify modifiers like this shortcut something verify modified test. Okay, so here I am using one main method. Now I can create the object for lecturer, from where I need to create the lecturer object of which package. We need to select the package also. This is coming from access modifiers only because we are testing those things only as of now. Okay, new. This is a nor constructor I'm calling. Okay, and now lecturer dot. Okay, now you see only it is showing get public lecturer only. Okay, and we need to pass a name. Okay, so which type of method? This is a public method only. Now you get the content, right? So the access modifier which is public we can access outside of the package. Other than public access modifier, no other modifier we can access outside of the package. Clearly, I am specifying outside of the package. So only public access modifier can be accessed outside of the package. Okay, outside of the package. Okay, so this is the thing. Whenever you try to use private within the class level only, this scope is eliminated within the class. That's it. If we are not declaring, that method is default. Default we can access outside of the class within the same package. Okay, unprotected also outside of the package, not outside of package, within the package, outside of the class. Only public is access modifier we are able to access. Okay, so let's, yeah. So now we are going to this verify modifier. So now again see, after lecturer I am putting, does it showing any methods? Okay, it does not show any get methods. Only public lecturer it is showing. If I try to call any method like protected method, it will show the error here. Already it is not showing at the class level only. By displaying only we can see here, see here. It is saying something error for us. That's the thing. Carefully. So make lecture get as a public. It is saying make this is as a public. Then only I can able to access. But I will not make public because that should be at protected only as of now. Okay, that is the thing. So only public can be accessed outside of the package. So this is a very important. Some of the interview questions they may ask at any point of level for entry point or experience also. This is a tricky questions. Okay, so public is access modifier we will access outside of the package. Other than that, no access modifier we are not able to access outside. And to access outside of class, protected, public, and default. Okay, so these are the things we have learned today. And thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel.